Welcome to Top 10 Amazing. And today, we are coming to Top 20 Best Ways to Make Money Online No Scam. How to Make Money Online 2022. Easy to use 1 to 9 number keyboard to flip through our list. Let's start. Number 1. Start dropshipping. Let's start our list off with one of the most popular ways to make money online. According to Google Trends, dropshipping's popularity is rapidly growing, highlighting its viability as a way to make money online. With success stories about how an entrepreneur made $6,667 in 8 weeks or how a store owner made 6 figures selling just one product, there's plenty of proof that dropshipping is a real way to make money online. Number 2. Try print on demand. Print on demand is proving to be a popular option too. Graphic designers are turning to the business model to sell their designs on clothing and other products to monetize their art better. With their unique designs, they can create a consistent and established brand for their business. Number 3. Make money with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most popular ways to make money online. Throughout the years, its popularity has gone up and down, but it continues to prove to be a stable way to make money online. The best part about affiliate marketing is that you can be an affiliate for nearly any company, from Shopify to Amazon to Uber to FabFitFun. Number 4. Start a YouTube channel. If others can make money from YouTube, so can you. Your YouTube channel should focus on a single niche so you can build a strong, loyal audience. For example, you can create makeup tutorials, stream video games, review products, teach skills, create prank videos, or anything else you think there'd be an audience for. Number 5. Become an influencer. To become an influencer, you need to build a healthy following. The easiest platforms to do that: YouTube and Instagram. Some of the biggest non-celebrity influencers often gain their first taste of exposure on these platforms. You might want to check out how to get more Instagram followers if you want to build a big Instagram audience. Number 6. Create an online course. Sharing knowledge is one of the best ways to make money online. If you're an expert on a subject, you can monetize your knowledge by creating courses online. You can sell your course on Udemy or, if you already have your own audience, on your own website. Some entrepreneurs earn as much as $5,000 per month with online courses. Number 7. Publish an ebook. With Amazon KDP, it's never been easier to publish an ebook. All you need to do is write the ebook, format it, create an ebook cover, publish, and promote it. You can choose to hire a writer for your ebook, a graphic designer to design the cover, or a freelancer to format the ebook for you to help minimize the work you need to put into it. It's best if you focus on keywords based on popular searches on Amazon. Number 8. Consider freelancing. The easiest way to make money online is to take your current job in your 9-to-5 role and do it online instead. For example, if you're a writer, administrative assistant, graphic designer, teacher, developer, etc., you can market these skills and find clients online who are willing to pay you for them. Number 9 and 10. Create an app. And start a blog. Here is a list of 10 popular ways to earn money online. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.